Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I've been away for about a month now. That's my new car rental for the time being, and I'm currently in my brother's FRS right now. We're going to get... okay. You having problems there? Oh. I was like, do you not know where your gas and clutch is? Like, it says the one who drives the automatic, but...
No, I put my floor mat in because I vacuumed it and it was above my gas pedal.
Ah, gotcha.
And I was like, why does it feel like it's floppy?
So floppy little... Anyway, so... long story short, basically why I'm being driven around and have a rental car is because my car, well, I got into another accident. Because, you know me, I don't know how to drive apparently. And it's always with uninsured drivers too, which sucks. So the car is sitting in the shop for another 3, maybe a month tops. We just finally got the okay with insurance to finally start putting the payment necessary towards the car to start getting the parts to get fixed. And now we're just waiting to see what happens. So I do not recommend a lot of insurance, especially the insurance I have, because they have not helped me out in any circumstances throughout this entire experience. And I've gotten gray hairs from this experience because they suck at their jobs, and the amount of money I pay for them to do their jobs, I have to do it for them because they're incompetent of doing their jobs. So, what the fuck? Sorry, a little technical difficulty there. My fucking... okay. So, sorry about that. My mic fell off. I thought I had it screwed in, but I guess not. So, I'm cruising with my brother right now. We're going to Chemical Guys, pick up some stuff, some clay bar wax, because the one he used was like goopy Play-Doh. It's been sitting in the garage for years. And yeah, so that's really about to sum up where I've been gone for so long, and I haven't really done anything, is because car's in the shop. And everything that's led up to this point has been such a disaster, and yeah. We got a fellow Miata right here. It's a nice little clean build with a hardtop. Bet you that hardtop probably costs just as much as this car. They're going for like what, 3-4K now, roughly, on like Facebook Marketplace. It's outrageous. So we're trying to cut through. Oh my God, there's a dad and his kids trying to cross here, and they're right there, and they almost got fucking hit because there's a festival going on over here. It's called the Cowboy Festival. And he's like, the father looks like he was about to shit his pants. He's like, oh my God, I'm sorry I put you in so much danger, but you know, there's not a crosswalk or something you could go to. But hey, let's just jaywalk, you know, cause screw it, right? But yeah, there's a lot of cops out here. But there's a cool little place over here that's got some JDM goodies in it. There's like an Integra out front. There's a couple other stuff, Celica. I know they have like a 2J IS300, some cool stuff in the back. Traffic right now. And you know what's good with festivals? 6-speed Tomei headers and exhaust, full neutral, just fucking just right bang it. Just, you know, just no. Fuck it. You know, he wants that exhaust ticket. Oh no, I don't want to stay rough.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Give me 2 years, and then we can do it.
Only 2 years?
Only 2, because only if I get state reffed, I can't make it back down the base.
Ah. Okay. You know, the military men have to follow strict guidelines when doing this shit, but they still do it anyway because, you know, fuck it, right? See, that's why I want to make my Civic a little louder, because people actually turn their heads when this car goes through. Mine, they're just kind of like, eh, it's a Civic, who cares?
Also orange.
It's, yeah, and this is also orange, so like kind of stands out. Well, it's like a mini sports car. This thing goes 75 to what? 3.6 weeks?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe 3.5 business days?
Yeah.
Of course she's from Arizona.
Figures. Like the handprint.
Fucking handprint.
You know they.
Yeah, he wasn't kidding that this thing's all fucked up. There we go. Focus. Look at all that. Oh, diaper. Oh. What do you think of that? It's basically pretty much already out.
Did you pull it out?
It's like halfway out. I'm like, dude, we just ripped the other side out. Fuck it.
Oh, bitch! You gotta scratch my paint.
Hunk of shit, Scion. No, I'm fucking with him. But yeah, we're gonna take the front bumper off and actually remove that. And he's gonna tighten down his suspension probably a little later because it is a little hot right now. But yeah. Fucking piece of crap side marker. Everything else is wrong with this car. Oh, fuck it, I guess we're doing it now. What's up, Zozo? Come here. What are we doing today, mamas? Huh? What are we doing? Oh. Alright, Mr. Mechanic Man. So, what are we doing? Fill us in.
Taking the bumper off.
So we're taking the bumper off. And to do that, gotta remove these screws and all these clips real quick. And then I know we gotta put some a Phillips head or a flathead in here to like pop the clips out. Yeah. And then we're gonna adjust the dampening on these, spring rate and all that. He knows how to do that. So I'm just here for moral support. So we got the front bumper off, finally. And you know this section right here, the crash bar in the front? This is what was in front of it. A piece of styrofoam. Like, that's literally styrofoam that was just kind of sat in here. USA safety standards, people. Let's put styrofoam in the car. Yeet! So now, we're gonna figure out what else we're gonna do. Because we already took this off. We might just keep the foam off in case, but this is probably gonna show through the grill when we put the bumper back on. That's really about it for now. Because, I mean, it'll help with keeping airflow down. You know, if we have it out, you'll have more airflow going into there.
Yeah.
So we found a solution to the problem. We're going to put the vent back in. But how we're doing it, we're doing it Genesis special. We're using fucking painter's tape and taping this bitch back up to the bumper. Because the clips don't work. So yeah, this is what you can expect, my viewers, if you ever get into cars or are into cars. This is the type of shit you're gonna do. And do like, oh my god, this is so just all right. What in the hell? It was mad too late. Fuck yeah, alright. So, finally got the car washed, as you can see from clearly being nice and pretty and orange. It's running pretty good. Doing a couple little runs up in here at our local mountain. What do you think? Should I pick up one of these just for shits and giggles? That'd be kind of fun. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. Little fun time with my brother's car, since I'm driving that hunk of crap right now, you know, unfortunately. But I will hopefully get my car back by mid-May ish, maybe 12th, maybe 15th. I'm just kind of estimating, but yeah, I miss going out because that's just not fun. And yeah, but I hope you guys like and enjoy the video. If you want to see more of this car, and if you want me to do like a whole separate video just on like what's done to this car because it's my brother's, leave a comment down below and I'll probably get a video started. I know we're going to do something next Sunday at a dry lake bed. It's going to be all 8.6s of every variety, So I'll do a little video on that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.